Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FLNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, excuse me. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First level of support that really stands out, and I assure you, lots of other people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this exact same level here at 295. And the reason I make that comment is when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have going on with 295. If 295 doesn't hold, does that mean that the prices just want to make sure I'm not losing context here? Okay, well, I'm glad I did that because you can see right here, this is actually a former breakout area here, so this is just good old-fashioned when levels of resistance are broken. So was resistance, they tend to act as support, which is what's playing out here. But in the event this level, so that's that much more reason why there's going to be a whole lot of people watching that level. But if that level does not hold up, no, not a guarantee, but the problem and the catch-22 with massive movements is it does create pretty big spaces between areas of support. And the next level of support, not until down around 260. Again, if that level fails, is the price going to drop down to 260 in 10 minutes? I'm not saying that. But like I said, just looking back through the history of the chart, because of that big gap up, it does tend to create bigger, spaces between areas of support. But zooming back in here, let's talk about areas of resistance. And the main area of resistance that I'm curious about now going forward is that trend line right there. From more so just an overall, kind of arching perspective, as it symbolizes that, yeah, there has been some downwards pressure that's shown up on the bearish part. So we'll see if the price can break above there or not. But that's definitely going to be step number one. Yes, up here around 375 is going to be that overarching and key level of resistance. But before you even put any focus on those, the price has to first be able to prove itself in the near term by breaking above that trend line there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely a great movement today, great volume. So let's see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.